ZenGo wallet versus Ledger Nano X. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare ZenGo wallet and Ledger Nano X, two of the most popular crypto wallets, to help you decide which one suits your needs best. ZenGo Wallet is a mobile-first, keyless, non-custodial wallet that focuses on providing an easy-to-use, secure solution for cryptocurrency management. It uses multi-party computation (MPC) technology, which means you don't need to manage private keys yourself. This makes it perfect for beginners or those who want extra security without worrying about key backups or the risk of losing them. ZenGo supports over 70 cryptocurrencies, and you can buy, sell, and swap assets directly within the app. It also offers cloud backup for easy recovery, making it great for anyone who values simplicity alongside solid security features. On the other hand, Ledger Nano X is a hardware wallet that offers superior security by storing your private keys offline, making it one of the safest options for long-term storage. The Ledger Nano X supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, providing a seamless experience for users who want the highest level of security combined with convenience. Its battery-powered Bluetooth functionality makes it portable, while the such secure chip ensures that your private keys are never exposed to the internet. It's the perfect solution for experienced users who want complete control over their assets with the highest level of protection. When comparing ZenGo and Ledger Nano X, it ultimately depends on your needs. ZenGo is great for beginners or anyone who prefers the convenience of a mobile app without the hassle of managing private keys. Ledger Nano X, however, is ideal for those looking for the ultimate in security and control over their crypto assets, especially if you're holding a significant amount or have a diverse portfolio. Both are excellent, but if you prioritize ease of use and mobile accessibility, ZenGo is the way to go. If security and control are your top priorities, the Ledger Nano X is your best bet. Check out the links in the description for more details.